Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you've ever wondered how to find real Shopify stores, whether it's for business research, inspiration, or just curiosity, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a super straightforward method to discover live Shopify shops using a tool called MS. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to uncover actual store URLs and get a peek into the world of Shopify, just like seasoned pros do. Let's dive straight in and see how it works. First things first, open up your web browser and head to MS. This is a powerful website that lets you look up all sorts of information about IP addresses, and in this case, it's our key to finding Shopify stores. If you're not familiar with MS, don't worry, it's pretty user-friendly and you don't need to create an account or install anything. Once you're on the homepage, look for the search bar. It's usually front and center, kind of like Google's search box. Here, where the magic happens, you're going to type in the IP address 23.227.30.80. I'll leave this IP down below in the video description so you can simply copy and paste it to avoid any typos. Now, you might be wondering why this specific IP address. Well, Shopify hosts a huge number of their stores on this particular range, so searching it basically pulls up a huge list of real, active Shopify storefronts. It's almost like peeking behind the curtain to see who's running on Shopify's actual servers. After you've entered the IP address, go ahead and click the search button. Don't worry if it takes a moment for the results to load. That's totally normal, especially if there are a lot of entries associated with this IP. Just let the page do its thing. Once the results come up, you'll see a list of domains that are hosted on this Shopify IP address. Each entry is basically an active Shopify store. You can scroll through the list, click on the domains, and check out the stores for yourself. This is an amazing way to see what's trending, find examples in your niche, or simply get inspired by how other businesses are designing their sites. If you're doing product research, scouting competitors, or just looking for some creative ideas, poking around these stores can give you a ton of insight. Sometimes you'll see everything from big brands to fresh startups, all using Shopify as their backbone. It's really eye-opening to see how flexible the platform is. One thing to keep in mind. Not every result may be relevant to you right off the bat. Some stores may be inactive or just use Shopify differently than you expect. That's okay, just treat it as a treasure hunt and you'll definitely come across some gems. And that's really all there is to it, just a few clicks and you're uncovering a world of Shopify stores. Remember, I've put the demo IP address in the description below for easy access. Feel free to explore, bookmark stores you like, or take notes for your own business. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what kind of stores you discovered or if you have any questions about the process. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials to help you work smarter and stay ahead in e-commerce. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.